Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Brinkley RV right here in Goshen, Indiana. Now, big thanks to them for pulling some of these units out so we can record them. But today we're going to look at this 2027 Brinkley Model I, model number 280. So let's get started. The length on this Brinkley is 32 feet, 10 inches. The dry weight is 8,595 pounds with a hitch weight of 725. GVWR of 10,495. So real quick, let's take a good look here. Open up this pass-through storage. You can see there's your water hookups, everything right there. There's your auto leveling. Great pass-through storage. There's your sewer caddy. There's your dump. There's some dump valves. Rack and pinion slide. There's another dump right back here on the back. Nice ladder. 250-pound rating. Prep for a backup camera, and that's right, tankless water heater. There is another rack and pinion slide. 2 awnings with LED light strips out here. Your quick connect gas is right under there. And the other side of this pass-through storage. That's really nice. Really nice. All right, let's go inside and take a look. Now, if you saw the video on the Brinkley Model 2700, well, this is pretty much it in a travel trailer. So we'll go back here. You see you've got your dinette. There's your fridge right here. And your pull-out freezer. Your pantry and all is right here. And yep, just like that fifth wheel, it's got the pull-out drawers. Soft close. Back here in the back. Again, we'll open up some cabinets. All of it right up here. Solid surface countertops. Stainless sink. And let's see, there's a cabinet right there, and under the sink, right there. And we've got 3 nice drawers right there. That's right, I'm up here in Indiana. Amanda is not with me, but that's all right. I've got my brother who's here, who's somewhere. I don't know where he's at. He may be already working for Brinkley for all I know. I haven't seen him. But he may be already moving up here. I don't know. But nice. Oh, there's garbage. There's your pull-out for your towel holder. More drawers over here. And that. And then just like the fifth wheel, this will pop out, and then you can raise this part, make other counter space right there. I'm not going to touch it. These are all on display out here. Big microwave. And look at this living room. Now, they did tell me that anytime there is a L-shaped couch that goes into a dinette, this is going to be reworked. So be on the lookout for that. Now, travel mode, this one will come off and hook right there, so you won't have to tie it in. That side of the couch will make into a sleeper. And of course, you're looking at this nice 65-inch TV. And we've got a fireplace. You've got all of this storage right across here. That is fantastic. And somebody put the put the heat on. And there's your all your controls, max air control, your Rockford Fosgate radio, and more right there. And I saw a great tour today of the Model I's and iX. That's right, the sidewalls, double Asdale composite flooring. Yes, composite flooring. And let me go ahead and back up. We have a Furrion Chill Cube, 18,000 BTU, and it is working. It feels really nice in here. And we get into the bathroom. Nice bathroom, still solid surface countertops. We get some drawers right here, and a little under the counter or under the sink storage, and we've got some linen storage right here. Yep. Encore one-piece shower. It is a 30 by 42, I do believe. And got the big vent fan. Got a shelf up here, and of course you see your towel rack and porcelain foot-flush toilet. And you see there's no all your venting is in your cabinets and in there, under your whatever that thing is, your shower. In here, the bedroom. You've got storage all the way across. You've got some flip-up storage right here. And let's see, there is a power is under here. I think this is a queen-size bed. And we lift that up, and you see you got some storage. You got that basement storage right there. There's where you can... Good night. What's some struts on them dudes? Have mercy. All right, over here, there is power down there. Love these little nightstands. And of course, you see you got your built-in shades here. On this side, you got place to hang, put a TV. You've got some more of these little hangers right here. You've got, that's right, there's your fuses. There's an empty storage down there. You've got these huge drawers. And then you've got this hanging over on this side. And of course, this side is shared with your bathroom. And then there is your water, Furrion water tank controls. And you've got another air conditioner. Wow. These are super, super nice. Big, huge window right back here. All right, everybody. Tell me how you like this Brinkley Model I 280. This is really, really sharp. Big thanks to Brinkley for allowing me to be here and film these. And, well, if you just found our channel, please go ahead and subscribe to us. And also, for 20% off of Liquefied, look down in the description of this video. All right, everybody. Thanks.